Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm coming on with a quick video as a PSA, public service announcement about this trimmer that I demoed the other day. Nothing wrong with it. It's okay. I just wanted to do a PSA on that. And then I've also got something to share with you about the art glitter glue and how to keep this hopefully from clogging up. So stay tuned. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell and give a thumbs up like if you enjoy my videos. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's what my PSA public service announcement is about this trimmer. In the demo, remember I told you that this blade is very sharp. Let me move my little kitty out of the way. And that if you leave it down, that you can accidentally hurt yourself. Well, I did a little bit. Not bad, but I just wanted to reinforce that it's very important to put that thing up there, especially if you're scoring. I accidentally left it down here at the bottom when I was cutting these little bits of paper that I'm going to demo something with. And I just grazed it barely with my thumb. You can't even see the cut. It kind of poked it, and it's really, really sore because that thing is really sharp. And then I also got myself right here one day. This is a cat scratch, so that's okay. So you got to be very careful with the blade. I'm loving how it cuts and my other tools that are on it. So far I'm still happy with it. I did, like I said, I did cut these little tags, not the top, just the cut strips of paper. So let's get on to the one about the glue. Okay, so I know that if you've ever watched my videos, you've heard me say many times my frustration with the topper clogging. Getting stuck in there, you got to clean it out, got to make sure your pin's in there. And when I'm working, I don't like to be stopping and putting that pin in there and everything. So sometimes I don't use this little fine tip. The fine tip is very important though for certain projects. Sometimes I just use this base piece down here. So the other day, this is something I'm trying out right now. I'm not going to say 100% yet that I'm sold on it, but so far, and I'm fixing to start a project with it where I'll be using it. But anyway, I have a smaller bottle here. So I was online looking for ideas on how to prevent this clogging problem, okay? And I came across something called a glue nip, a supple silicone bottle tip. Looks like a baby bottle, right? Now, I'm going to back this up and share that years ago, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 years ago, I found a video by Laura Dennison who actually took a silicone baby nipple and then used foam tape and put it on her glue bottle. And I tried that, and you know what? I really liked it. It worked really great until the day that it kind of got clogged in there a little bit, and I squeezed a little bit too hard, and it popped off and exploded all over my project and me and the cat, and it was a mess. So threw those away, took my video down that I had on there saying how great it was because it was a mess. I had glue everywhere. So I quit using that. Then I saw this and I'm like, well, could it? Maybe. So I haven't gone into a project yet. Let me show you the bottle that I've got. So I took a small one, and it will fit. What you do, this is kind of scary, you take the whole cap off, okay? And this is very tight. You have to really push and pull and get it down on there good. So I don't think it's going to come off. And make sure it's dry and clean in there. And then this is sealed. So you can use this for bigger glue openings. So first I took my pokey tool and I poked a hole in it, and that didn't work. So I did have to take my scissors and just snip off a tiny, tiny bit. So you have to be careful of that. So like I said, there's still going to be times I'm going to need this fine tip, and that's okay. I'm happy. I'm fine with that. So how does this work? And again, it's called the glue nip. Now, it comes in a package of 2. What I paid was a little pricey because I went through Amazon Prime because I wanted it quickly so that I could really try it out. I have seen it, I think, directly from the manufacturer, half price. So you want to look for glue nip supple silicone bottle tip, and it comes package of 2. So I have an extra here that I'm going to probably put on a bigger bottle. So I'll probably have a bigger bottle, smaller bottle, and then a regular one with the tip. So what I do is when I'm going to work with it, I squeeze you. When you finish and it dries, you take the dry glue off, and I shake it to get it flowing into the lid, and then I just squeeze till I see some glue. See there coming out? There I am. I'm ready. Okay. So I've cut these down. I'm going to make me a bookmark out of these. These are Country Craft Creations papers. Now, this video is not part of a Country Craft Creations sponsored video or design team video. So it's not going to say Country Craft Creations, and I'm not going to be posting it on any of the Country Craft Creations sites. I will put it on my own personal Facebook group, and it's here on my YouTube channel because these are not available at Country Craft Creations, and I don't like to link them, but I am using scraps of her paper. This, I can't remember, Mother's Day or something like that, and then this is the artisan cardstock. So I'm just going to glue these two together to show you how this bottle works. So I'm just going to squeeze, see, and it comes out, and you just use the tip of it to kind of spread it out. You can do it in kind of a line because I don't, like I said, I don't have a really big hole. So I like that I can spread this out and kind of squish it around. Then I can just set it down. I don't have to worry about putting that pin in because it's going to seal itself over. So now I'm just going to line this up and make me a bookmark while I'm sitting here showing you this glue thing. Let me burnish that down. I don't have a lot of glue oozing out because I was able to spread it out. So I'm liking that. So that is the glue nip. What did I call that? Yeah, glue nip. Silicone bottle cap. I'm hoping this is going to solve some of my problems. Anyway, thanks so much, guys. I hope you have a great day. I just received my design team package from Country Craft Creations. I'll have a separate video for that soon. So again, be sure, if you haven't already subscribed, click the bell so you'll be notified and give me a thumbs up. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.